Hola, buenos días. Bienvenidos a Español 101. Soy la profesora Che. Welcome to Spanish 101, Spring 2016. This is Professor Che. And in this short video, I'm going to talk about this week's assignment, where to find your exam number one, and also how to check my comments on Supersite. Let me first begin with the weekly assignments. If you log into Supersite, you will see what I'm seeing on this screen right here. If you finish the first set of the assignments that were due last night, you can simply click the box next to overdue and move on to the next set of the assignments that are due Sunday. By clicking this little box, the list will disappear. That way you'll have a better screen. It won't be that overwhelming because it's just going to show the assignments that you have to submit this weekend. And as you can see, there are two things that you need to submit today: your weekly assignments, and also you need to take your lesson number one exam. I strongly recommend that you download the review sheet from Blackboard by going to exam module and click on chapter 1. You'll be able to see a nice summary of the exam. It'll tell you what topics you need to study and how each section will be presented to you. So I think it's a really good idea to inform yourself of the exam before you take it. That way you can prepare better and you'll be less anxious because you are already informed of how long the test is gonna be, how many sections it's gonna have. And don't click the exam button right here. Okay, once you click it and open it, you are forced to take the exam. You cannot cancel out the attempt because everybody gets only one attempt. Once you open it, that means you've seen the exam, and I have only one exam per lesson. I cannot write another exam just for you. So don't be curious, okay? Don't click the button out of curiosity. It's the exam, and once it's open, you have to take it. I also would like to talk about the tutorial videos. Take the time to watch it carefully, and I even suggest that you read what's on the textbook first before you watch the video. The video is in general 5 minutes and it goes really fast because there's so much information that they need to cover in 5 minutes. So it can be kind of fast if you have no idea what to expect on that video. It's better to read the topics of the textbook and be ready and watch the video. It'll make much more sense. As you watch it, please take notes, and if you come up with questions, please bring them to my attention, and that's how you're gonna learn. This is the main lecture, I guess, because I'm not lecturing every single time we learn a new grammatical point. So please take the time to watch it. It's very, very important. The next one, the virtual office hours. I told you in the beginning of the semester that I would use Skype, but I've decided to go with the chat room that's embedded on Supersite. You have to just simply click on the chat feature right here. Once you do it, you'll see my name. You need to click on my name to be connected. And I'll be available in this room on Mondays and Wednesdays from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. You need to simply click the chat feature to select me and begin the chat. You can do camera also if you want to have a face-to-face interaction with me. You can't be online. If you can't be online during these hours, try to visit me on campus on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 8 to 9 a.m. in my office, North Hall 333. If that's not convenient for you either, then send me an email and we'll work out. Okay, we'll try to find the time that's convenient for both of us. The more interaction you have with the instructor, the better for you. So don't be shy. Please come to see me, either online or on campus. Okay, check my comments. I grade your exams. I'm sorry, I grade your assignments, and if I see that the student needs to break a pattern, like a bad pattern, I'm seeing a pattern of errors, coming up over and over, then I'll leave a comment on that assignment, and you need to go to the notifications on the first page of Supersite, where you see your assignments. There is a box that says class bulletin. Okay, you need to click on notifications, and even before you click it, it'll say how many notifications you have, and that's where you find my comments. And also, you guys submit the help request as you were working on, let's say, chapter 1 homework, and then there was one exercise that you didn't have any idea of what they were talking about. Then you submit a help request, right? And I will respond to you, and my responses will come up on under notifications. So it's a very important feature. It's personalized because everybody has a different question, and I will answer your questions using notifications feature. Okay, so this is something that you might want to check every day, especially if you know that you've submitted help request. Then you know this is something that you should be looking at. Okay.